move on to the second mistake. So the second mistake that most people make when writing their nonfiction book, and if you're taking notes, get ready to write. The second top mistake that most people make when writing their nonfiction book is only sharing your story. Okay, that's the second mistake. Only sharing. I'm going to share this out so that people can get this. Okay. And if you could go ahead and share this out to anyone that you know of that may be interested in writing a book, go ahead and share it out. I'm sharing it out right now just so that I can help as many people as possible to be able to write really great books. All right, so I shared that out. I'm going to go ahead and give myself some likes, hearts, and stuff. And that's going to help Facebook to kind of share it out. So if you are on, go ahead and give us some likes and hearts and things of that nature so that we can pop up on Facebook's algorithm. Okay, alrighty. So number two, only sharing your story. That's a big mistake that most people make. Everybody wants to share their story. Everyone wants to talk about some of the things that they've gone through. And we have amazing stories. I love the fact that each and every person has their own fingerprint story, is what I call it. And if you look at the tips of your hands, the tips of your fingers, you will see that you have fingerprints, right? And those fingerprints are unique to you. No one else in the world has your fingerprints. They're unique to you. They help you to be distinguished among all of the people of the world. And your fingerprint story does exactly the same thing. Your fingerprint story allows you to stand out and from the crowd. It allows you to never be comparable to anyone else in the world. So if you only want to share your story, though, you are leaving not only money on the table, but you're leaving so much on the table as far as your impact, your influence as well. And the reason why you're leaving your impact, influence, income, credibility, and authority on the table when you only share your story, because you aren't giving them anything else. You're just talking about you. We all do this. We are concerned about what benefits us. And I like to say people love to listen to W.I.I.F.M or, watch W.I.I. Stations. And basically W.I.I.F.M. stands for, I think I heard, I think a gentleman mentioned this before, Enrique. He said that everyone wants to know what's in it for me. So W.I.I.F.M. is an acronym. It stands for what's in it for me. So what's in it for me? What is the benefit of you telling your story? Just to kind of, for you to get it out? Or do you have something else for the reader? Are you going to, give them something that will assist them? So some of the things that you can share while you're sharing your story, maybe you want to share like an acronym or something. And that acronym is a step-by-step plan to help them implement something in their lives that's going to cause transformation or make their lives better. Maybe you want to offer some sort of visualization, a guided visualization, and you walk them through actually changing their mindset and seeing their life differently. Maybe it's affirmations or quotes from the Bible or scriptures that they can, think about as they're going through their day. Whatever it is, it has to be more than just you sharing your story. It has to be something that your reader can take away and they can implement, and they will improve their lives because of it. All right, so that's the second mistake, okay? Only sharing your story. Instead of only sharing your story, make sure that you include in your writing something that your reader can take away.